Today we are going to be making Xawaash, and for those who don't know, this is an aromatic and flavorful spice blend from Somali, very similar to garam masala, which means you can use it with almost everything: rice dishes, curries, soups, and so forth. Hi everyone, and welcome to We Eat at Last, where we share delicious recipes from around the world and simple air fryer meals. Without much further ado, let's get to it. To make Xawaash, we're going to be using some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, about 3 or 4 or even more. I have a long one which I'm going to break up. We are also going to be using some black peppercorns, some cloves, some cardamom, a few bay leaves as desired, 2 to 3 pieces of star anise, some nutmeg. I'm using ground nutmeg here, but you can also use whole nutmeg, and turmeric. And so first we're going to heat our pan under medium to low heat. You then just want to roast the whole spices. So I'm going to carefully transfer them to the pan. I hope you enjoyed this Xawaash recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye!